Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and do a test show on whatnot. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the whatnot application. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually do a test show on whatnot. So if you want to test your live stream before setup, setup before doing a real show, Whatnot has a rehearsal mode. It simulates a live show without real audience or real purchases. First of all, what you need to do is go to the Sellers Hub. So in the bottom side of the screen in the middle, we have the Sell button, where you can of course go to the Sellers Hub. It is not supported in every region. In mine it is not, so I cannot go and enter it, but when you go there, you'll need to go and tap on the menu icon, which is in the top right corner. It is the burger menu. Then scroll on and open settings. Select rehearsal mode and start the rehearsal and test your camera, microphone, lighting, item planning, and auctions. Whatnot provides demo products and simulated buyers and bids, so nothing is actually sold. And basically that's that. If you want another person to join your test, use a powered show instead. Go again to the Sellers Hub, schedule a show, set show discoverability to private, and start it normally. Anyone with the link can still join and importantly purchase in a private show. Show of course are real, so don't run test purchases unless your friend of course wants to complete them. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.